Okay, guys, example number 2 here says, and let me write it bigger because it's fuzzy, negative 11 over 15x. Notice how I put the negative on top? That's just habit. You should do it too. Plus 4/5 is equal to 1/3. Now, guys, before I get started here, I'm going to get a common denominator for all these numbers so I don't have to worry about that again. Can someone tell me what's a common denominator for all of these fractions? Hobbs? 15. Okay, so let me rewrite this as fractions with 15. The first one I don't have to change. It's already 15. Okay? But I need to change the second one and then the one on the other side of the equal. What is the numerator of the second one here? What do I get there? Alex? I get 12. Good. Okay? Because 5 times 3 gives me 15 and 4 times 3 gives me 12. What do I get as the numerator on the other side of the equal sign, Tut? 5. Good. So now I don't have to worry about that anymore. All right? I'm done with that. How do I get rid of, or what do I get rid of next? What do I get rid of next, Simon?
Get rid of the 12 over 15.
Exactly. I get rid of the thing that's farthest from the variable. I do the opposite of PEMDAS. Right? So I'm going to get rid of adding and subtracting first. Okay. So if I want to get rid of 12/15, how do I do that, Teddy? I'm going to subtract 12/15 from both sides. Okay? Now, on the right side, what does that simplify to? Armand? Negative 7 over 15. Exactly. 5 minus 12 is negative 7 over 15. Good. And what do I have on the left side now, Kai? Negative 11 over 15x. So now I've just got to get rid of this fraction that's stuck in front of the variable. Liam, how do I get rid of fractions that are stuck in front of the variable? I multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply this side by negative 15 over 11. Remember, a reciprocal, its sign doesn't change. It's just the numbers flip. That's all. Sign stays the same. And then I need to multiply this side by negative 15 over 11. Well, isn't that nice? Okay, what happens on the left side where the x is, Fritz?
The x gets multiplied. Well, the x stays.
What happens with these two fractions?
They get multiplied.
Okay,
Cancel.
they cancel out, don't they? And it just leaves me with x. X equals, well, what do I get on the left side? X equals, what's the first thing that I do when I'm multiplying fractions? Nico.
See if the answer is negative or positive.
Is this answer negative or positive? It's positive because I have two negatives. What's the second thing that I do before I multiply? Cole. Ask Teddy.
Cancel.
I cancel. Thank you. Do you see anything that I can cancel?
Oh, 15.
The 15s cancel, right? Anything else that I can cancel? No, I agree. So what am I left with once I multiply here? Armand?
You're left with
7 over 11.
Negative.
So not negative because this was a negative and this was a negative. So when I multiplied those two, I got a positive. 7 over 11. So that's what x equals. Beautiful job, guys. All right, I'll see you at the next example.